Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the fastest route: USB for large folders, Wi-Fi apps for wireless convenience, or cloud when you need cross-device backup. Once decided, install or enable the needed service on both devices, make sure your phone shows MTP or file transfer mode, and plug the cable in. You'll be prompted for storage access, grant it. Once done, open File Explorer or the Transfer app on the computer so you can see the phone's folders and start selecting files. Now you move actual data. Select the files or folders you need, using Control for multiple picks or Shift for ranges. Drag and drop into the phone's destination folder, or use copy and paste if you prefer. Watch the progress indicator so you know when files finish. Slower media means longer waits, so large videos may take significantly longer. If you chose Wi-Fi, make sure both devices remain on the same network, and the app reports a stable connection before sending the payload. To finish, confirm transfers completed and then safely eject the phone or stop the transfer service so no files remain locked. You should open several transferred items on the mobile device to verify they play or open correctly. If something went wrong, try quick fixes. Toggle the phone's USB mode to MTP, reconnect the cable, or restart both devices. These steps often clear driver or permission issues. If problems persist, switch to an alternate method like Cloud Sync or a Wi-Fi transfer app and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.